Hey guys, welcome to another video of mine. And by the time you get to see this, it would probably already be a new year. So first and foremost, Happy New Year. Now, I don't know about you guys, but 2020 just hits different. It's a whole new decade, and I hope that wasn't the case for you, but 2019 was a pretty challenging year for most of us. So we're ready to put that behind us and take all the lessons learned to make 2020 one of our best years yet. Now, if you're not familiar with me, my name is Fabrice Metan, owner of a company called Simplify My Numbers. I'm an accountant with over 10 years of experience, and my passion is to crunch numbers and crush them. And by crush, what I mean is simplify them for my small business clients to alleviate any tax issues, bookkeeping problems, payroll headaches, and literally anything that has to do with numbers, taxes, and accounting. Now, the reason for this video is that I know that the majority of people take a ton of resolutions at this particular time of the year. Now, let's face it, guys. The majority of those resolutions are going to revolve around your income. How much money you actually take home to take care of your debts and get your credit score up, to enroll in a new college course, to invest in this new business idea, or even get a new membership at your local gym, right? So not only is it important to try to make more money, it is equally, if not more important, to try to keep as much as you possibly can. And while every financial guru out there will tell you about savings and investing, which is still the right thing to do, there's still one area that we tend to overlook, even though it is the biggest expense, one of the biggest expenses that we're probably going to have throughout the year. Can you guess what that is? Taxes. Listen, in 2018, the average single American paid 29.6% of his earnings to income taxes, Social Security, and Medicare. So if a third of your income goes towards taxes from now all the way to the end of April, you're pretty much just working to pay the government. Let that sink in. From now until the end of April, which is pretty much when tax season ends, ironically, you're pretty much just working to pay the government. Do you understand how important it is to focus on that at the top of the year before tackling anything else? But wait, instead of just thinking, oh, I just got my W-2, my 1099, I need to run and get my tax refund anywhere and any way that I can, the real questions that you should ask yourselves are, first, where can I get the highest possible refund to reinvest in myself, my family, or this new business idea that I thought about? How can I legally pay the least amount of taxes, especially for my self-employed people out there that may not have paid taxes throughout the year and now have to face that reality? And last but not least, how can I position myself better to pay the least amount possible starting in 2019 and every year thereafter, so that I can keep as much as possible from my hard-earned income? So in 2019, the main focus of my firm was to help small businesses with their bookkeeping and accounting, to make sure that their books were always clean, not only for tax purposes, but also to make sure that they were more profitable and were always putting themselves in the best position to attract financing if ever needed. And while I was staying on top of my game in those areas, I also made sure to sharpen my skill set throughout the year and went back to study the entire Internal Revenue Code to get my clients the best possible advice to save on taxes and know exactly what to do for this year and all the years to come. With that said, even though my biggest focus is on small business owners, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur and have been thinking about starting a business this year, we definitely need to talk. I can not only start by helping you with your personal taxes, but I'd like to also show you exactly how to set up your business so that you can take advantage of the highest possible deductions to help you in the future, not only in your business, but also on a personal level. Okay, so I recently opened up my calendar to start taking some consultations at the top of the year. So around the 15th of January, I'm going to put a link below in the video for you to go ahead and schedule yourself on my calendar. Now, I'm sure you understand, it's tax season, it's crazy for most accountants like us. And so, do it as fast as you possibly can. The link is going to be down below in the video. Go ahead and schedule yourself. And guys, it's 2020. You don't even have to spend your gas and coming to my office to see me in person. We can do a virtual consultation, set up a video where we sit down, go through your personal situation, talk about all the particular things that apply to you, to your personal business, your personal situation, and help you the best way that we possibly can. Oh, and one more thing. Starting from this next week and every week thereafter throughout the tax season, I'm going to try to release 2 to 3 self-shot videos where I will share tips, different things that you need to know when it comes to taxes, when it comes to business, things like that. Tell you about some situations that I see with some of the clients that I work with, and basically kind of try to release those videos on a weekly basis just to share the knowledge and hopefully help as many people as I possibly can. Again, Fabrice Metan, Simplify My Numbers. I can't wait to talk to you. All right, guys.